Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily English. In today's video we are going to learn idioms with movies, so without wasting our time let's get started.
I messed up.
What if I mess up? We won't mess up.
I messed up. I'm sorry.
I lied because I'm pissed off.
It's because right now I'm mad, and I'm pissed off and mad.
Oh.
I didn't know what was going on with you, and I'm pissed off about the way that my life is headed.
After you.
After you. No, after you.
After you.
Hannah, are you wasted?
Yes, I am wasted.
I'm so wasted!
When pigs fly.
Be glad to give you a tour sometime.
When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
Whoa! It's raining cats and dogs out there.
It's gonna rain cats and dogs, folks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.